Okay, people, we are now
Ja sam Hrvatica.
we are now going for the last time to Malata restaurant, and you probably know Martina till now. She's sending kisses to you all. That's so nice and cute of her. And now we are going to practice a bit for tonight's contest in singing. We're gonna sing to you Godinama by Dino Merlin and Ivana Bamfić. Ne meči usnama, jer ovo nije ni vrijeme ni mjesto za to. Nešto je u nama, do pola svijeta, od pola prokleto. Come on together. Nije sreća, para puna vreća, to znaju oni što je imaju. Nema puta, od tijela do tijela, tu duše jedna drugoj putuju godina. Ma varala si me, znam kad i s kim i kako vatreno. Pogledaj me zadnji put, bar to, nek bude fair, nek bude iskreno. Sad ti kažeš čuda ne postoje.
Čuda ne postoje.
Svaki naš korak je put koji moramo preći.
Ne znam ja lirikse.
Oh my god, she's not like Eurovision charisma, you know? Martina maybe can be a politician or something like that, but you know, my vision is Eurovision. Walking with Mike!
Walking with Mike!
Hell, thank you very much.